It's the frame, almost done. This is where the spring used to go. Welded that up. That's the bar I just made. It's for the front suspension. Look at that shine, baby. It's all hand scraped, hand cleaned. That's for the rear spring. That's my new design.
Well, they threatened the whole group with arrest if they didn't move to the sidewalk. But, you know, I don't know to say that I was targeted. I feel like, you know, I did have a choice to move or to be arrested. And I feel like if I would have gone to the sidewalk, they would not have arrested me. But I also would not have been able to memorialize my daughter.
Not bad. All hand brushed, so I don't miss nothing. Even the little crevices. Saying, like a mirror look. Not bad for being brushed. And here's my other design. It's for the front shackles. Used to go all the way across, but down more. No, up more. I put it down more. Another 2 inches. There's another one I patched up. I'm gonna put another one here. A little access panel, because I gotta get to those if those ever break on me. That's for the motor mounts. The reason why I didn't do that is because I have a 1985 K5 steering box I'm putting in. It's got a little more oomph, and that's a little more thicker on that end. See how thin that is? See the little hole? Yeah. A little more oomph. I know I could probably just cut that and weld the other one to it, but I'm not a hack. That looks pretty good, huh? All the way in there. Even over there. And of course, that and also, if I could just have Mr. Nell's ears for just a second and tell him that, you know, I've heard him publicly say that my daughter was murdered. Yeah, this is the shop. That's my grandson's car I gotta do next. It's my new box. 2 doors. My front door. This is my auto body shit. My bench. And my rest of my crap. This is my 4x4 El Camino, 1985 Super Sport, 3rd edition. I just finished the bottom, hand cleaned. Let's see if I get a little light here. Look at that.